Are you interested in earning $5,000 a month as a beginner using artificial intelligence? It's called ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. With thousands of products to promote, you're sure to find something that fits your interests. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the process. First, head to ClickBank and sign up. Then, navigate to the marketplace and choose a category to promote. Filter by gravity to find the top-selling products and click Promote. Enter your account name and generate a hot link to share on social media. To make things even easier, try using Pictory.ai to create a video promoting your chosen product. Simply type in your desired message and the tool will automatically generate a video for you to share. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to earning $5,000 a month through affiliate marketing. You can earn thousands of dollars using just 2 websites, which is Money Pantry and Writesonic. This will take just 5 minutes. Count down right now. First, come to this website, moneypantry/get paid to write the address link. Look at what the topic of the article needs to be that the company wants. There are lots of companies, then come back to the Writesonic website. Click over here, on an article writer, write the topic of the article that you want, then click over here, on Generate Ideas. Writesonic will produce lots of article ideas. You can select whichever one you want, and your article will be prepared, then come back to the Money Pantry. Click on the website, look at how you need to submit the articles, and you can start making money. If you want to become a highly paid freelancer here is a 7-step process that you must follow. Number 1, find a skill and master it. You can easily learn the basics for free using tools like Coursera, Google Digital, Garage Free Codecamp, and others. Number 2, start building projects using dummy names of businesses that can showcase the expertise that you have on that particular skill. Thirdly, take up those projects and build a portfolio site using Contra or others. Also, make sure that you have all of your contact details on the portfolio site itself. Fourth, find emails using Hunter or RocketReach. Get a MailTrack extension and start reaching out to potential clients. Use reference for sending invoice and DocuSign for contracts. Number 5, keep upskilling, network and learn from others as much as possible and start raising your prices. Next, start hiring a team of people and work with more clients. And lastly, invest your money and retire in your 20s.